Hey, claiming Pump.fun rewards a tough job. Let's see how you can do it. Open Pump.fun app, connect your wallet for which you want to see the rewards and claim them. As you can see, in this wallet we have $2.35 as rewards. Now, head over to Jumpbit.io. Connect wallet to see the rewards. Same $2.35 rewards are showing here. Click on Claim to claim them. Here, let's claim and approve the transaction through connected wallet. Transaction got landed, and your rewards are transferred to your main connected wallet. Let's see the transaction. Clicking on transaction link, you can see your rewards got transferred from rewards wallet to your main wallet. That's it for collecting your Pump.fun rewards. Follow us for more such videos.